we wrote a letter to the Home Minister of India and the Chief Minister of Chhattisgarh regarding the issue of custody of Indian nuns. Basically, they belong to Kerala, but they are working in the field of Agra and Chhattisgarh. What happened exactly? As per the rules, they taken 3 women, aged women, for employment. But the government and the Bajrang Dal has conspired. That is basically that is a trafficking issue. And initially they told they are taking for conversion. It was totally false. They already told the police that this is only legally we are taking it up. We have permission for the parents, but the police didn't hear that. The situation is like that. The atrocities on minorities in BJP ruled states are increasing day by day. This is not an isolated case. In Odisha, in Madhya Pradesh, in Chhattisgarh, in Manipur, every places they are haunting Christian institutions, Christian nuns and Christian fathers. There are so many incidents happened earlier also. We brought into the notice of the Honorable Home Minister and the respective Chief Minister, but there is no concrete action has happened. Now, this government is basically allowing Bajrang Dal, RSS, all these people to they have given freedom to all these organizations to attack on minorities. Basically, this is against the secular fabric of Indian constitutions. Basically, this is against the constitution. Constitution provides the freedom of religion, but through this action, government of the BJPs are sabotaging it. We are raising this issue to the parliament also. We already wrote the letter to the Home Minister and the Chief Minister of the Chhattisgarh.